Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download YouTube Music application on a PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, open up your preferred web browser. Now, at the address bar, type in YouTube Music Desktop and click on the link which is of ytmdesktop.app. After that, at the middle of the screen, you can see download button. Click on it and click on this button which is of Windows. If you are a Mac user, click on this button, or if you are a Linux user, you can click on these buttons here. After that, a setup file will be downloaded on your device. After the setup file is downloaded, click on it to open it. Now you can use a YouTube Music application on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.